I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic leaves pickle easy method. Start by washing garlic leaves, patting dry, and chopping into 1-2-inch pieces, then place them in a clean bowl. Combine 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons salt, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon mustard seeds in a saucepan and heat until dissolved. Cool the brine slightly before pouring over leaves in a sterilized jar. Then seal tightly and refrigerate. Let me explain the spice and brine step so your pickle stays crisp and flavorful. Toast 1 tsp mustard seeds and 1 tsp fenugreek seeds in a dry pan until fragrant, then add to your brine. Heat the brine just until sugar and salt dissolve. Do not boil aggressively. Then let it cool to warm before pouring over the prepared garlic leaves in the jar to preserve texture and flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes titty-ups effortless while you focus on pickling. I use it to keep my kitchen spotless between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the time you save. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you with storage and serving to make the most of your garlic leaves pickle. After sealing jars, refrigerate for a minimum of 3 days to allow flavors to meld. Longer resting deepens taste. Store in the fridge and consume within about 2 months for best texture and freshness. Serve small amounts as a tangy condiment alongside rice, sandwiches, or salads to brighten any meal and enjoy the punchy, garlicky flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.